Good morning, dear students. Today I have started the staffing process in the chapter of staffing, because since last 2 days we have been discussing what is staffing. So just you recap, staffing is a function of management. After planning, organizing is done, and after organizing, staffing function is performed by the management. So this is the third function of management. In the process of organizing, we have created a organizational structure where at different levels different job positions are there. So those job positions are to be occupied by the people whom we are going to appoint. So filling up the positions which are vacant in the organizational structure, this basically is known as the staffing. So after discussing the meaning of staffing and the importance of staffing function, we have started staffing process. Now what is staffing process? Staffing process is a long, lengthy process. The very first thing you relate that staffing is such a function which is concerned with the hiring of the people and retaining of them. When we are going to hire the people to fill the job positions, and when we are going to continue them, retain them, there are lots of things are there which are performed as the functions itself in the staffing activity. So staffing is a very comprehensive activity which involves many related steps as the process of staffing. So here just you see the first step in the staffing process is estimation. Estimation of human resource requirement. The very first step which you will take in the staffing process will be that you have to decide the number of people required, the time at which they are required, and the quality of them. What kind of people at what time and how many people will be required in our organization, we are deciding maybe for 1 year or maybe for 5 years or for maybe for a longer period of time. So when we are assessing the right number of people required, the right quality of people required, and the time when they are required, this is known as the estimation of human resource requirement. So in advance, before really coming to the staffing activity, you are deciding and you are estimating the people required in your organization. So this process means this estimation will be taken or will be estimation will be done on various considerations. Second step in the staffing process is recruitment. Recruitment actually in Hindi is known as bharti. Actually in this recruitment function, we are deciding or we are searching the prospective people whom we can hire in the organization. We are motivating them to apply for the job positions. So in the recruitment process, in fact, we are not appointing them. In the recruitment process, we are simply inducing them, we are motivating them, we are searching them that who are good people who may be considered for the hiring work. So that work will be known as the recruitment work. So recruitment is done or can be done internally or as well as externally. If within the internal resources we are searching the people within the organization, that will be known as the internal recruitment. Same way, if we are going away from our organization and searching from outside world, that will be known as the external recruitment. So about this point we shall be discussing tomorrow as well.